everybody? It's Amy from Plaza Gaming. I'm gonna be bored. So, my friend, also Fizzy Gaming, he recommended me to do like a video with my pups because he said it would be like quite like every like how do I explain this? Well, I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. Are they? I'll be back when they come. Sorry. There we go. Finally got one. So you can, if you can't see the other ones, they're just like, what are you doing? Then there's them. You see my big dogs on the big league. Look, what was that? Oh, thank you guys very much for watching. So just a random video, I don't know why I did it. But yeah, my next video will probably be, look at it, come here. My next video will probably be about a fidget spinner. My fidget spinner, because I can't be bothered with my fidget spinner right now out of my room. So, yeah. Say goodbye. Okay then. Well, thank you guys very much for watching and goodbye. I think it's what? They don't know I'm recording them now. Because they, sorry. Now I'm recording them. I don't think they'll see me. Oh, sorry, bye.